Welcome viewers. Today we come for you new and unique crafts, cotton bud crafts. You are watching the different ideas for gift and decoration. Cotton bud you can use for home decoration. Different ideas like chicks, like cotton bud used for decoration flowers. You are watching on the screen a frame flower making with the cotton bud stick. You are watching another bottle flower making with cotton bud. You are watching another idea for making flower with cotton bud. You are watching a puppet making with cotton bud. You are watching the sheep's model of sheep's making with cotton balls. You are watching a cotton bud cartoon character. You are watching two rabbits eating carrots making with the cotton. You are watching the birds uh, different colors making with the cotton. You are watching a wall hanging nest and cotton bud. You are watching the duck handling the uh, flowers making with the cotton bud. Uh, you are watching the birds colored beautiful making with the cotton. You are watching hen and his chicks and eggs making with cottons. You are watching two sparrows handmade making with the cotton bud. You are watching two chicks different design. You are watching a nest and a sparrow and his three chicks. You are watching a hanging nest and cotton bird. You are watching four little chicks. You are watching a bird, but handmade bird, artificial making with a cotton bird. You are watching two chicks and two eggs in the nest making with cotton. You are watching two swan making with the cotton. You are watching four chicks wall hanging. You are watching two beautiful birds making with the cotton. You are watching two nests making with rope and birds making with the cotton. You are watching flower plant making with the cotton bud. You are watching how to step by step sheep and chicks making with cotton bud.